Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming eligibility and that your Allen account has the DLP test series option enabled. This prevents surprises later. Once done, collect your registration ID, login credentials, and a working email, because you'll need them for access and confirmations. Next, choose whether you want the full-length series or topic-wise packets, and check the schedule and format so you match practice to exam pacing and subject priorities. This saves time and shapes your study plan immediately. Once you've chosen the package, log into the Allen portal and navigate directly to the DLP section. Select the exact test package and configurations you want. Then complete payment using card, net banking, or UPI, and save the receipt or transaction ID. This is your proof if access stalls. After payment, download the PDF packets or enable online access, sync materials to your phone or tablet, and note any exam codes or passwords. These little details avoid last-minute lockouts and lost time. To finish, open every downloaded test and the answer keys to verify files are intact and the marking scheme matches what you expect. This prevents surprises when you evaluate. Then schedule timed practice sessions, set realistic time limits, and archive completed tests so you track progress over time. If access or downloads fail, immediately contact Allen support with your registration ID, payment receipt, and screenshots. Insist on a ticket number and escalate politely if no response within 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.